Hi, I'm Brenda Cadman from Bonaccord Creative, and in today's quick Canva tutorial, I want to talk about why using folders is so important, and I'll show you how to use them in your own Canva account. So let's jump into Canva. In this video, I'll show you how to create folders. To do that, you're going to need to click on this button here that, not surprisingly, is labeled Create New Folder. In this case, let's say I wanted to create a folder for designs and images that I plan to use as part of creating an online course. I might create a folder called Course Materials. In this case, I'm not sharing it with anyone, so I'm just going to say Create Folder. It'll start out as an empty folder, and I can now select files to upload into this folder, or I can go to all your designs and I can select any of the designs that I want to move by checking them off like this. And then I can move those items into a folder. Now let's assume that I wanted to add a couple of folders into my course materials folder. To do that, you're going to come up here to the top right corner and you're going to see this little folder with the plus sign. So I'm going to add a couple more folders here. Let's call them Course Slides and Course Worksheets. You can create as many folders and subfolders as you want on Canva Pro. If you are on Canva Free, you are limited to 2 folders in total. That might be 2 folders up here in the main folder listing, or it could be 1 folder with 1 subfolder inside of it. If you create folders while on Canva Pro and then you downgrade to the free plan, you will not lose the original custom folders that you created, but you will not be able to create any new folders, nor will you be able to access any of those custom folders from within a design. Stay tuned for more quick Canva tips and tutorials, and if you're looking for a step-by-step introduction to using Canva more efficiently in your business, be sure to check out my Canva 101 mini course.